So hi lovelies, good morning. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. Tonight I'm going to address one of the thought or one of the what people think about you coming regularly or frequently, being consistent on social media. And we are talking about to make sure that every day you show up. So I received a question on TikTok yesterday on live. Someone was like, where do you get time? How do you manage to do all this? We handle 3 YouTube channels, that is Whispers of Love, Immaculate Show, and Vibe with Imac. Then we handle Facebook 2 channels, that is Whispers of Love and Immaculate Channel, Immaculate Show channel. Then the third one, we handle TikTok fully. And if you go to check, you'll see our consistency is there. So how do we do it? You guys, to the new subscribers, I love you so much. This is a place of good vibes and positivity, the positive energy and focus, especially on how to make money with our smartphones when they are connected to internet without any investment. In this video, it is going to be very short and precise. When someone wonders, how do you do it? How do you get time? I always ask you, have you ever been on the wall and there in this hole there is money, but that hole you have to dig it and get money? Have you ever asked people who make bricks? You have to dig the soil. By the way, you have to look for the right soil. Then after digging that soil, you look for water, you put mixing. On mixing, you have to get whatever, how are they called? There's those frames. Then you have to make sure that it is smooth. There is that time that you're going to make it and put it there, rain will come. I'm giving you that scenario. Is it a hard scenario? It is hard. Why do you think those people persist? Rain will rain on them. It will rain on the bricks. Even they will get them spoiled, but the next day they will restart. Now, it is almost the same as making money online. If I want to score some amount of money, if I want to liberate myself, if you want to be financially free, you will not have an excuse. You will not sleep 8 hours. You will make sure you make it happen. So already I've told you, you have to chase something. Whatever you're chasing determines how you will run. And whatever is chasing you determines how you go fast. Come to think about it. Is it simple waking up, you asking someone to borrow you money, but you cannot get it in next month? But how is it like if I know on 21st I'll get money on Facebook, on YouTube, I'm comfortable to say, hi dear, can you give me some $200? And you'll be very comfortable to give it to me because I have capacity to get it, even if you're not having any job. So guys, already I've told you, what you focus on determines how you run. That is point number 1. Point number 2, you have to put strategy. I always put strategies. Today is, I'm making this video on 29th. On 28th, you have to put strategy that before the 1st of another month, you should have already completed your target. You might not complete the target, you might not hit the target, you might overhit the target. Remember, there are other tactics that you should use, like greener content. Greener content, I think I will be bringing for you a video on it tomorrow. It's that type of content that you post today, even in 2 years to come, people will be searching, it will be recommended, and people will be commenting, people will be reviewing, so it will be giving you money. So if you target greener content, now leave that greener content. You put your schedule. The moment you put your schedule like this, means you will jump overhead. You'll be ahead of it. If you put a schedule, every day I'm supposed to post 2 photos, 2 videos, it means you will do them before. Now comes to another point of bunch recording and bunch rescheduling. It's easier for you. You sit down, and this is what I do. I say today I'm going to record 10 videos. These 10 videos will be covering 3 days. So then afterwards, I know in 2 hours I'll be doing my editing. Before I sleep, I'll be scheduling for next day. That next day before I wake up, the first video will be running. Then when I wake up, and if I have time, I'll be doing the recording for after 3 days. So this is how you go ahead of your schedules. So I feel there I've answered you. And now, another thing, the same video you do, the same video you can get photos out of them. These photos work well for Facebook. So I'm now covered. You will see me on Facebook, you'll see me on TikTok, you'll see me on YouTube, and say, where does this lady get time? But you have to be strategic. That is maximizing your content. This video, from here I'm going to make it a video for YouTube and a video for Facebook. Only what I will change is the ratios. And I can make it 2 videos for Facebook and 1 video for YouTube. And I also cut for story and I cut for a reel. I cut something which is a hook for a short on YouTube. This is how you do maximize your content. Now, can we come to the last but not least? Use ChatGPT or tools, optimization tools or optimize tools to optimize your content, to search for you trending topics, not to make you scratch your heads. All these videos like I've done, like this video you are watching also, I did not scratch my head. What I did, I went and told ChatGPT. It gave me it gave me transcript, it gave me everything, it gave me title and what. Then I did my own corrections, I did my own editing, I came and presented to you. Now, what does this help me? It helps me even in the editing. There are some videos whereby you have come and seen only a logo with captions, without the video or the what no. The only thing, the moment you've prepared your transcript, you will flow. Yesterday, someone was asking me, how many times do I make a video? I told her, gone are the days when I would make a video of 9 minutes, like 10 times. You find almost a half day is gone on one video. But now, by the time I go to sit in my chair in my studio, I've already internalized everything I know. I don't have they call it a tele what? That one where you read and what? I don't have that. But it is already in me. I've already read through, I've already known it, I've already talked it. So I come and talk it here. This helps me to go and do my video editing as simple as possible. Hope you get me. If you don't get what I'm saying, then the last but not least, try to schedule all your videos, all your posts. Because you might say, I'll premiere it, I'll schedule and premiere. You find you don't have internet. Like the day before I recorded this video, I want to wake up, I found I had no internet. The video I'd premiered the video, but before putting meta things, as far as metadata, as far as like the title, the thumbnail, I had not put. Then I slept. It premiered without anything. Why? Because I had no internet. So we have to make sure that we get prepared for other 2 days, that if anything happens, if you get an emergency and travel that you cannot do this and you don't have access to internet, the work should continue flowing. So guys, if you want to know anything about this, just put it in the comment section. I'm here for you. Bye bye.